We Crack You provide free mock test for SSC CPO exam. For that, you only need to Google search Crack You SSC CPO free mock test. Click on the first link. Start the mock. Hi friends, welcome to our channel Crack You RRB SSC Banking Exams. In today's video, we are going to discuss important economic questions which are very useful for SSC CPO exam. To get these important updates, please don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to get daily updates. Today's first question. Demographic dividend refers to an increase in the population in the age group of 15 to 59 years. Demonetization was implemented in which year? 2016. The statutory liquidity ratio, which is SLR, according to the recent RBI review 2019 is 19.25. Repo rate is the rate at which RBI lends money to the commercial banks. Development expenditure does not include expenditure on defense. Who is the chairman of the 14th Finance Commission? Y.V. Reddy. The main difference between GDP and GNP is net foreign income from abroad. Indian economy is mixed. According to 2011 census, the child sex ratio from 0 to 6 years in Andhra Pradesh is 940. What is the flagship program launched by Andhra Pradesh government for the welfare of artisans? Adharana. The smart common platform created for all scholarships and education related schemes of Andhra Pradesh government is labelled as Janabhoomi. How many Cs, which is special economic zones, does Andhra Pradesh state have? 19. Out of 8 Millennium Development Goals, how many goals are directly related to health? 3. Economic reforms towards liberalization were introduced in the year 1991. Child mortality implies children dying before their 5th birthday. NTR Videsa Vidya Adharana scheme of Andhra Pradesh government is meant for students of which category? Backward classes. Income and consumption are dash directly related. According to the minimum reserve system, the Reserve Bank of India must maintain a gold reserve of 115 crores. Unemployment that arises when there is a general downturn in business activity is known as cyclical unemployment. Shri Manohar Gopal Krishna Prabhu Parikaris, the Union Cabinet Minister for Defence, with a view to encourage entrepreneurship among the scheduled caste, a venture fund for the SCs has recently launched by the Government of India. How are fiscal policy and the Federal Reserve similar? They both try to promote economic stability. Dash is the world's largest trade bloc and the world's largest economy. European Union. The credit of proposing the first blueprint of Indian planning is given to M. Vishveshwaraya. We Crack You provide previous year papers for SSC CPO exam. For that, you only need to Google search Crack You SSC CPO previous year papers. Click on the first link. Students are advised to take previous year papers which are available in the form of test. You can also download them in the form of PDF which are provided with solutions. The term bull and bear is associated with stock market? What is the overdraft facility available to one account holder of Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana per household? 10,000. The Securities and Exchange Board of India, which is SEBI, is the regulator of securities market in India. When was it established? 1988. The type of money market instrument which are high yield grade bonds that generally carry a low credit rating are called junk bond. In which market form a market or an industry is dominated by a single seller? Monopoly. The company Associated Journal Limited is the publisher of which now defunct daily newspaper? The National Herald. Trickle-down theory ignores the impact of economic growth on income distribution. The Dash is an ancient Indian treatise on statecraft, economic policy and military strategy that was written in Sanskrit. Kautilya is traditionally credited as the author of the text. Arthashastra. The process of providing suitable physical and social infrastructure for the upcoming urban areas is known as town or urban planning. As we all know, India's one of the major imports is oil and petroleum. Out of the total consumption of the oil and petroleum, how much is consumed by the transport sector? 30%. Name the father of Indian economic reforms. P.V. Narasimha Rao. Which country topped the Inclusive Internet Index 2019 published by the Economist Intelligence Unit, which is EIU, for Facebook? Sweden. Who was the economist who wrote the book Small is Beautiful? E.F. Schumacher. What is the rank of India in the World's Economic Forum's 2019 Global Energy Transition Index? 76. Where did the World Economic Forum inaugurate the Center for Fourth Industrial Revolution? Mumbai. What is the minimum support price associated with agriculture material? When the value of goods transported between two states is greater than dash, e-way bill is applicable. Rupees 50,000. NEER stands for Nominal Effective Exchange Rate. According to the budget 2019 to 20, nearly how many Jan Dhan Banks accounts were opened in the last 5 years? 34 crores. The threshold of tax deducted at source for rental income increased to dash from 1.8 lakhs in the budget 2019, 2.4 lakhs. Which is the largest stock market in the world? USA. Pradhan Mantri Gram Sadak Yojana related to construction of rural roads has been allocated with dash in budget estimates 2019 to 20. 19,000 crores. According to Fiscal Responsibility and Budget Management, which is FRBM Act, debt to GDP ratio of the Government of India must be brought down to dash by the year 2024 to 25. 40%. Investments and savings are kept equal through a charge in the level of consumption. The Simon Commission was formed to review a constitution for India. What is the USP in marketing field? Universal standards of products. We will be back with more important videos like this. Please don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to get daily updates. Thank you.